Hello everybody, my name is Alex with Sigala Designs. Thanks for tuning in for a brand new video. Now, as you guys can see, yes, we are in the car and we are starting off the video on a pretty exciting note because, well, by the title and thumbnail, you guys can tell we are doing another Aero kit install for a torch red Z06 C8 Corvette. Now, me and my brother are super excited. Honestly, of all the Corvette colors, I think torch red is definitely the most eye-catching and one of the most exciting to work on, just because the color is so beautiful and so bright, and just, oh, I can't wait to see it in person. But we are up here in Orange, California, and well, this isn't the first time coming to this customer's house. We did do a vertical door install there as well. Honestly, I'm pretty excited to get there and see the car. Now let's go ahead, waste no more time, get back on the road. We're literally right down the street, so we'll check in with you guys once we get there. And here we have the car behind us. For the Z06, I think this is like the perfect spec. The torch red convertible. This car is just looks perfect. Now imagine once we're done with it, it will have the carbon fiber Aero package and one extra little, I think it's like the cherry on top that will completely transform the look of this car. But without further ado, let's go ahead, get set up and get to working on the front end. All right guys, so update for you guys. The front bumper is basically ready to completely come off. It's just we have found with installing a few Aero kits that it's better if the dive planes are actually, like these cutouts are actually made while the bumper is still on the car, just so we don't have to deal with the bumper moving on us too much. So it's literally just pulling it out a little and then making the cuts. And once the cuts are made, then we can officially fully remove the bumper so we can get access to all the bolts holding in the front splitter. And then once the front splitter is on, the new one is ready to go on, and then we can install the dive planes. And once the bumper is put on the car and everything is tight, we're done. This install, the customer did not want to go with a high wing, so he is sticking with this the wing that came from the dealer. But Adrian already went ahead and installed the rockers on both sides, so the carbon fiber rockers are already put on. So all that's left to do is just work on the front. So it should be pretty quick, but we're gonna go ahead, show you guys exactly how we make the cutouts, and then after that, we're ready to keep going on. All right guys, and with only about an hour in, check this out, we already have the front bumper removed off the car, as well as you guys saw cut out the holes for the dive planes, so those are ready. So now once we have this all loosened up, Adrian is going ahead and getting rid of the last few bolts, and then it's swapping over the lip and then that one bracket that actually holds to the frame of the car. Look at that, Adrian already got the bracket off. Well guys, after removing all those bolts and finally putting in the clips for the dive planes along with all the bolts and clips for the front lip, here we have it. Check out how the dive planes look on the torch red and carbon fiber along with the front lip. Honestly, this color combo with the carbon and the red just absolutely looks amazing, but we're not finished yet. So let's go ahead and put it back on the car and then see it all in one piece. Well guys, I have huge news for all of you watching the video, and well, that is the Z06 is now completely finished. Yes, the entire Aero package is installed along with one extra little bonus on top of everything, and honestly, I see it right in front of me and it looks absolutely perfect. So are you guys ready to finally see how the Z06 turned out. Now there's a reason why I didn't continue to keep you guys updated, and that is because I wanted the final product to be a huge surprise. So without further ado, here it is, the Z06 Corvette with the carbon fiber aero package. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments. Honestly, we are super excited with how this turned out. Now let's give you guys a walk around of exactly what this customer went with. So here, first thing we have is the C8RR hood in completely all carbon fiber. Now we have the dive planes and the 3-piece Z06 front splitter also in full carbon fiber. And the final thing is the carbon fiber rockers. Remember guys, the one thing that this customer did not option for is the high wing. So here he still has the stock wing that comes with the Z06, and well, honestly, the front end just looks so much more aggressive. Everything went perfectly, and we were glad that you guys could kind of see exactly what the process is to get the car to how it is now. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now it was short and sweet, but we wanted to bring you guys along for this install just because this is the first torch red Z06 that we have worked on, and well, it is also the first with the C8RR hood. Honestly, it just came out perfect. We thank you guys so much for watching, and we thank you also for your continued support on all the videos and our social media. If you guys aren't subscribed, we highly suggest you go down and hit that subscribe button. We're going to be doing so many more videos of different installs and different places we travel to do installs. So thank you guys so much. And well, as always, it's Alex with Sigala Designs, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.